Hey guys, this is Hakim from Atoms to BHD, and if there's anything here around, just don't care about it. Today I'm going to review this handcuffs. This handcuffs comes with a key. Here, I'll show you that a bit later. So when you lock them, they can't really open. Only if you're big. But now, no. And this, no. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, here's the keys. I just said keys. Actually, there were 2 keys, but I gave one to my brother. Red Trees one. He's now like sleeping. So yeah, here's one of the keys. Put it in and put it down. See, it works. This thing. So yeah, that's my handcuff. So don't forget to subscribe and like at my prison. Just kidding. I'm free. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bow.